Hey guys, good afternoon. Wow, it's really late in the day. It's almost 3:30 in the afternoon, and I haven't recorded a single video since morning for the vlog. I woke up really early in the morning for a while, about 6 o'clock. So that was about 6 hours. So I did sleep in the afternoon. I had to catch up a bit of an hour of sleep. Then I did have breakfast. What did I have for breakfast? I had poha for breakfast. Then I rested for a while just to complete my sleep, and then just a while back I had lunch. I had some rice and paneer and roti with dal. Right, so I just had lunch and I rested for a while. I uploaded a reel and a short on my YouTube and Instagram respectively. It's called Take Care. It just irritates me when people randomly use the term take care. Actually, my comedy is mostly about what irritates me, and there's a lot of stuff that irritates me about life. So it's about take care. That's what this reel is about. So you should check out on my Instagram. And my YouTube, right? With my different YouTube channel. It's called Stand Up Comedian Amar. So if you're not following me there, you should follow me there. And yeah, I'm planning to hit the gym. The great thing today was like my weight in the morning was the lowest it's been so far since I've started trying to reduce and hit 58. I was 60.4, so I'm just 2.4 kilometers, 2.4 kgs away from my target. So I'm gonna hit like a few hours of gym today, or like once a week. I've decided to do a gym marathon, which either I'll do today for this week, or I'll start from next week. So I'll do it on Monday. So that I hit my weight target of 58 and maintain it. That's so one day of the week will be a gym marathon, 3 to 4 hours. Rest is whatever a regular gym that I do, about 2 hours. So cool. I'm heading out for a while because it was my mom's birthday yesterday and she wants to have ice cream. So we're going out to have some ice cream. After that, I'll come back and hit the gym. Hope you're feeling happy. Okay. Hope you're feeling happy. This is a view from the green room, guys. I'm in the green room. The show's on. I just realized I haven't recorded a lot of stuff for the vlog today. This is the green room mic we have, and that's where the audience sits. Some people are sitting right now. I'll start the show in the next few minutes. It's going to be a short vlog. I'll do the day review in a bit today. I don't know what songs they're playing today. What song is that? I just don't know this artist that's playing. It's some Western song. Obviously, it's Western. But the show is about to start, and there's Shrimit Mathur, and the audience is coming. We'll start the show in 5 minutes. Hey guys, the day review. I frankly didn't record a lot today for the vlog. I'm surprised about that, but usually I do. Probably there wasn't much happening in the morning till afternoon. I was at home. It was mostly personal time. Went out with some of my family members for a while. After that, I hit the gym in the evening, early evening, and I did yoga and dance today. I've decided to do a gym marathon like once a week to catch up on whatever I need to catch up on the workout and ensure that my weight is I hit my weight target and kind of maintain it. So I'll hopefully do that on Tuesdays. That's a decision I've taken. The 2 shows tonight were the highlight. Yoga and dance went well as well. Some family time. So overall, I think that was the day. And yeah, there's some hassle that I need to work on, which I will work on tomorrow. And there's a lot of stuff that is pending from a work perspective also. That needs work as well. So largely that was the day. Some administrative stuff, some personal time, gym, yoga, and 2 shows. The shows went well today. There's a guy from Gujarat, and I did a Gujarat joke after a long time. #2002. Good night.